Hey everyone, this is Matt King with the King Piers team. We're out here on day 7 in Weston, Missouri. Here's a quick look underneath the crawl space. What we're doing specifically inside here, you can see we've already started with some temporary supports. But what we're doing, there is a lot of old wood floor joists that are either rotted or damaged, or there's space where there's just no floor joist at all. So what we're doing in here is getting enough access with our 6x6s and hydraulic bottle jacks to keep the existing floor joists supported, while we come in here, remove the damaged floor joists and install new ones. And in some of the areas where there aren't any, we're going to be installing brand new floor joists as well. And then in addition, we are going to be installing vertical 6x6 support beams to raise the existing floor joists back to the correct level elevation, as close to level as we can possibly get. And again, we're going to do that the exact same way with our hydraulic bottle jacks and the 6x6s. But the one issue here is it is very cramped down here, so we've already raised it quite a bit, but now we're going to get those 6x6s, the support beams in there to keep it level and properly supported once we get these temporary supports out of here. And then turning around right here, you saw this is the area we excavated out last week, and the customers are wanting to create a room addition to the back of the house here. And to do that, we need to have a proper foundation wall and footings, concrete floor down here. So once we get finished up with the initial part of this project, which originally it was just going to be the crawl space work here, and then we have King Pier 2s going underneath the bottom layer of the stone foundation around the home, roughly 8 to 10 in total. And those are probably going to be all finished up, that portion of the project, by the very beginning of next week at the latest. And then the majority of next week we'll be able to focus on getting this all finished up. What we have to do first, once we get all this material cleaned out from the work we're doing inside the crawl space, we'll do our concrete footings, get those set, properly cured, and then we'll be able to form up for the foundation walls and also do the concrete floor. We're going to make sure we have everything up to code up here in Weston before we do any of that concrete work. So we're going to make sure everything is set the way that they want it up here. And then other than that, it's just simply getting enough concrete in here to get everything poured, and then once that's done, that should be it. So stay tuned for more updates. Right now, again, we're just finishing up down here in the crawl space, trying to get all those vertical supports in today. Tomorrow we'll be up here getting the King Pier 2s installed. Probably Thursday we'll try to be ready for concrete so we can encase the piers, and then Friday we'll take care of the backfill and everything, and that should be about it for everything around the other parts of the house, leaving again just this section back here and anything else we need to finish up down here in the crawl space. So stay tuned for more updates. You can find them on our YouTube and Facebook channels. Just search for King Piers LLC. Please give us a like and subscribe if you have not already. You can also go to our website, www.kingpiers.com. And of course, you can always give us a call, 1-816-288-4373.